As we discussed in the previous class that we have filter condition in SQL Server. By using where clause we can add single quotation for character string and dates. Now we are going to discuss about how it works on the numbers. In the previous class we have seen that we can use single quotation mark with numbers also. Like this way it will be giving you the number of total employees where we have their salary is greater than 800, right? So similarly you can put less than or other mathematical operator. There is no one whose salary is less than 800. Now if you will check, we have comparison condition, we have equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and then we have not equal to. So you can add greater than or greater than equal to, less than or equal to. Like this you can filter your date. I hope this is clear to you. You can use comparison conditions on dates also. On dates we can use these comparison conditions. Now we will see how SQL wildcard work on SQL Server. What is SQL Server wildcard? In SQL Server, wildcard characters are used with SQL like operator. So it will not work with equal to or not equal to. It will be working with like operator. SQL wildcards are used to search the data within a table. Now I will show you how like operator works on SQL Server. So for example, let's say I have few employees. I want to see that if their name is containing character A. Okay, see, these are the employees where we have e name containing A as keyword. So what I did, I have used like and I have used ampersand symbol before A and after it. So basically ampersand, why do we use? We will discuss about it. So you can say that it is alternative of any character. This is also alternative of any character. So that means it is showing the information wherever like A is containing. So what if I remove A in the beginning? So that means it is starting with A and ending with any character string. If I remove this one, I add ampersand in the beginning. That means starting with anything, any specific character, but ending with A. And please note, this is not a case sensitive language, so you don't have to bother about a small a or capital A. You don't need to bother about it. Now I'm going to execute this one. It will give me the result set where name is starting with A. Let's see how many people are there starting their name with A. So we have Alan and Adams. I hope this is also clear to you. So this is how you can use, begin with. If you have any requirement that let's say you want to filter all the job titles where we have chief in the beginning, means chief executive officer, chief finance officer, chief HR officer. So all those if you want to filter, so what you will be doing, you will be adding chief ampersand like this and you will put it in. Let's say we have a requirement that I want to select the all type of engineer, whether it is a DevOps engineer, software engineer, AI engineer. So what you will do, so you can write in the beginning, it can be anything, it can be DevOps, it can be software engineer, it can be AI. So you will be writing ampersand in the beginning and then you will be writing engineer like this. So it will give you the result starting with anything but ending with engineer. Then we have contents. Contents means if you if you have a specific keyword that you are targeting, if it is containing, let's say for example, let's say if it is containing A in the beginning, A in somewhere, right, or any specific character, let's say chief somewhere in the in your word, like this you can mention. Okay, so this is how it works. If you have a requirement doesn't begin with, let's say does not begin with chief, so you will be writing not like. For example, let's say I want to see those employees, their name does not contain A as a keyword, so you can write not like. It will be working absolutely fine. You can see, you can match these records, these names, if it is containing A anywhere in the name. No. Similarly, you have a requirement that the name should contain A or and E. So you can execute and see the result. It is containing A and E. This is also containing A and E. This is also containing A and E. So this way you can filter all the records, all the names where we have A or E in their name. Now we have a requirement that I want to select all the employees where e name like this. So this is something different that we have not discussed yet. We'll discuss about it. So one underscore means a substitute for a single character. One single character means if you have added one single character, it is substitute of one character. That means it is starting with anything, but there should be two character, then after n should be there, then after two characters should be there in the name. So let's see if we have any name. Yes, we have John's. So you can see Jo means two, any character, any two character, right, in the beginning. So Jo, and then n is coming. As I have already mentioned, it is not case sensitive, so it can be lowercase, uppercase, that is fine. Then we have two characters, which is E and S. So this way you can filter based on a specific character, or you can say a substitute of characters. Similarly, we have one more char list, sets and ranges of characters to match. So let's say if I want to select all these employees names where we have A or E in the name, so we can also write this way: A or E, A or E. You can see we have we have used not like, we have to use like for that. So if you will use it like this, you have A or E, you have A here, we have E here. So there is a difference between these two. I hope you understand that. There is a difference between these two. This is saying that it will be containing A and E. This is saying A or E. If you will add B, it will become part of it. That means if your name is containing either A or B or E, it will be part of your result set. See, we have A, B and E. Okay, so this way you can put the list of characters. Let's see what if I say A to D. What will be the output? Now you can see it is containing A, B, C, D. For example, James Ford. You can see it is not containing A. It is containing D, right? So this way you can filter your record using passing the specific characters or list of characters or sequence of characters. So this is your wildcard. You can use not like, you can use like. All right, and I have a couple of examples I will show you on and like here. This is a logical condition. If it is written 5 ampersand, that means 5%. This is not like 5 starting with 5 and ending with any character. No, because ampersand is given in square bracket. If it is written like square bracket underscore n, that does not mean that it will be containing one substitute character. No, it is, the meaning is underscore n. In your result set, it will be searching underscore n. If it is written A comma C D F, that means A B C D or F, because we have used A to C and then D F, not E, because D F we have specified. Similarly, we have a requirement that we have hyphen A C D F. That means it will be looking for hyphen A C D or F, like square bracket, and this way it will be looking for this one side, and then if it is written like this one, it will be looking for this. If you have a requirement that you want to search abc underscore d, that means it will be d percent, means after this, after D, it can be anything. It can be E, F, G. But the minimum requirement is it should match with A, B, C underscore D. Then after D, if it is coming E or F, doesn't matter. It will be part of your filter. Like A, B, C, D, E, F. It will be ABCD and then ABCE and then ABCF. This way you can filter your data using wildcard.